To enable sound in Google Meet Screen Share, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of Google Meet in a compatible browser. Start by joining or creating a meeting in Google Meet. Once you are in the meeting, click on the Present Now button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. A new window will pop up with the options to present your entire screen. A window or a tab. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Before you click the Share button, make sure to check the box that says Share Audio. This will allow you to share the sound from your computer with the other participants in the meeting. If you have already started sharing your screen and you want to add audio, you can do so by clicking on the 3 vertical dots on the control bar at the bottom of the screen and selecting Share Audio. This will enable the sound to be shared with the other participants. Best practice is to test your audio before sharing your screen to ensure that it is working properly. You can do this by playing a video or music on your computer and checking if the other participants can hear it. Additionally, make sure that your browser has permission to access your computer's audio. You can check this in your browser settings. By following these steps, you can easily enable sound in Google Meet Screen Share and enhance your online meetings with high-quality audio. It is also important to note that some browsers may have different settings or requirements for sharing audio. So if you are having trouble, check your browser's support page for more information. By mastering this simple process, you can take your Google Meet screen sharing to the next level and provide a more engaging experience for your participants.